In this video you will learn how to memorize the trigonometric value. Okay, solving of trigonometric problem is not so easy, right? Because to memorize the trigonometric value is very difficult. But sometimes you know how to solve the trigonometric problem, but you don't know what the values are. So this video help you to memorize the trigonometric values during the examination or at the time of assignments, etc. So once again I am requesting all to watch this video full without skip. If you are the new one to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's start the video. This video helps to memorize the trigonometric value during examination. Okay, let's start. I take as sine 0 as 0 first. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I divide whole by common denominator 4. And also I take root. Okay, now 0 by anything is 0, then root of 0 is also 0, and 1 by 4, the square root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. Okay, here 2 ones are 2 twos are the root, right? Then is equal to 1 by root 2. Here root 3 divided by 2. Square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 3 is root 3. Then here 4 ones are 4 ones are, hence the square root of 1 is equal to 1. These are the actual values of sine. Sine 0 degree 0, sine 30 degree 1 by 2, etc. Same. To find the cos value, the sine value we got right in the form of reverse. Cos 0 degree 1, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2, cos 30 degree 1 by 2, cos 90 degree 0. The same sine value what we had got writing in the form of reverse. Sine 90 degree 1 but cos 0 degree 1. Same. Now tan. We know that tan is equal to sine by cos. The same procedure here to follow. We know that 0 divided by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Here denominator cancels, hence remains 1 by root 3. Next here 1 by root 2 divides 1 by root 2, hence result 1. Here root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, hence denominator cancels, remains root 3. Here 1 by 0, anything by 0 or anything divides 0, it cannot be defined, so hence we write not defined. To find the values of cosec, we must know that sine, the values what we get in sine is in the form of numerator by denominator, right? See here sine 0 degree is 0, that means it's itself 0 by 0, right? Numerator also 0, denominator also 0. To find the values of cosec, we should write in the form of denominator by numerator of sine values. Okay, just what we get the values in sine, we should write in the form of denominator by numerator. Okay, let's start. 0 by 0, anything divides by 0, then it means not defined. Here 1 by 2, right? The value is 2, denominator is 2 and numerator is 1, hence I write here denominator by numerator, so 2 by 1 is 2. 45 degree, sine 45 degree 1 by root 2, just write root 2. Here 2 by root 3 and here 1. to find the values of sec theta, the procedure what we follow to find the cos theta, same procedure is followed here. Okay, 1 2 by root 3 root 2 2 and not defined. To find the values of cot theta, the procedure is followed, writing the tan values in the form of reverse. Okay, not defined, root 3 1 1 by root 3 0. These are the actual trigonometric values. See, tan 0 degree 0, sin 30 degree 1 by root 3, tan 45 degree 1, and tan 60 degree root 3, and tan 90 degree not defined. Thank you.